Hey, what's up guys? This is Nick here from jerseynickmoto with another episode of Nick's Quick Pick product reviews. Today we have something a little different. A couple weeks ago, Viking Cycles reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review one of their leather motorcycle jackets. And I said absolutely, so let's open this up and see what we got. Alright, on first look, it's some nice soft leather. Looks like quality zippers. Decent amount of pockets. I went with the medium based on the size chart. Hopefully it fits. It's a classic looking biker jacket. Open it up here. It's got the belt. Got a couple inside pockets. Decent quality for the money. I believe its jacket costs $99.99. I'll link their website in the video, of course, or they're also available on Amazon. Alright, let's try it on and see how it fits. So I'm about 5'9", 160 pounds, and the medium fits great. It's nice and fitted over a t-shirt, but there's still room to throw a hoodie under there if you need it. I'd say it's about a mid-weight jacket, perfect for the spring or fall, but with enough room to layer up underneath and use it in the colder weather. It's genuine leather. It's the Nomad USA by Viking Cycles. It's got plenty of zippered pockets on the outside. It has 2 inside pockets. The liner does not zip out. It also has that small snap pocket in the front for change. It has the belt. The sleeves have zippers on them. There's a look at the back of the jacket. Although it is called the Nomad USA, unfortunately it's not made in the USA, it's made in Pakistan. Would have been nice if it was made in the USA, but for a $99 jacket, I didn't expect it to be. Alright, let's go take it for a ride. Alright guys, so we're just going to go for a little ride, see how the jacket feels sitting on the bike. I gotta say, it's pretty good. Like I said before, I took the medium based on the size chart. Now, I have 2 other leather motorcycle jackets, and they're a large. So when I was ordering this, I was kind of up in the air about whether to get a medium or a large. But I went with what the size chart said, and the medium fits really good. It's fitted, it's not baggy. Me personally, I don't like the way these classic motorcycle jackets look when they're baggy. I'd rather them a little fitted. And this one, even though it's fitted, it still has enough room. As you can see, I got a hoodie on underneath it, so I could fit a couple layers under it if I wanted. Right now it's in the low 50s with a breeze, and just going around town, I don't even think I needed the hoodie. I would have been comfortable with just a jacket and a t-shirt on. It fits just as a motorcycle jacket should. I mean, when you're standing with your arms at your side, the arms of the jacket might be a little long, but when you have your arms up on the bars like this, it's the perfect length. There's no wrist showing at all. They go right down to my gloves. One thing that I was very pleasantly surprised with was how soft the leather was. Honestly, for a $99 jacket, I was expecting it to be kind of plasticky and stiff. But when I took it out of the box, it's very, very soft, and I like that too because it makes it easy to roll it up, throw it in a saddlebag, or bungee cord it to a sissy bar or a luggage rack. And this is probably the jacket I'm going to take when I travel this year because it rolls up so nice that it could save a lot of space, and that's always what I look for when I go on my road trips. So overall, for first impressions, I'd say if you're looking for a reasonably priced leather motorcycle jacket that has a nice quality of leather and has a nice fit, I think it's a great bang for your buck. As far as durability goes, well, that only time will tell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear it for a couple months. I'm probably going to use this most of the time when I ride. I'm most likely going to take it away with me when I start traveling. And I'll let you guys know. I'll come back to you and tell you in the long run how it held up. Again, big thank you to Viking Cycles for sending me this jacket to review. I'll link their website in the description below. You can also find them on Amazon. That's how I got this one, through Amazon. I'll also put that link up there. So Viking Cycles, go check them out. I'm definitely going to go check them out now that I see this jacket. I'm going to see what else they have. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, leave me a like, leave a comment. If you're new to the channel, check it out. I have road trip videos, I have local rides, product reviews like this, motorcycle events. Might be a few how-to videos coming up. And they're all broken down into playlists, so they're easy to find. So if you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be coming out with a lot more videos in the future. Thank you again for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Keep your head on a swivel out there. Later.